say example?
Change in velocity, change in speed, change in time.
Okay, right. So next, what is differential equation?
An equation contains more derivatives.
Y by dx square minus 5 dy by dx plus 3y equal to e power dx.
Okay, very good. So how do you solve this differential equation?
Solution of differential equation y is equal to cf plus pi.
Okay. How do you calculate CF? First, what is CF and PI?
Based on
What is CF and PI? So CF is complementary function and PI is particular integral. So how do you calculate CF and PI?
based on right side of equation we can calculate pi. Based on nature of it we can calculate cf.
Okay, very good. What are the difficulties you are facing while finding the solution of differential equation?
Nothing of formulas and it's so time consuming and it's confusing by solving the problem.
Okay, what is the solution of these problems?
We can rectify this problem by solving differential equation without the cf and pi.
Okay, very good. So we are having a powerful method. That is our next unit. So nothing but Laplace transform. Can you guess what is the application of Laplace transform? I mean, where we are using Laplace transform?
That there is a differential equation that we have used a Laplace transform.
Okay, very good. So can you say application of differential equation?
Used in electrical circuits and computer graphics.
Yes, very good. So we have used the Laplace transform in electrical circuits and computer graphics, right? So we have using Laplace transform to design and analyze the electrical circuits and control system, right? So I think you are clear with what is Laplace transform and why we are using that, right? Now we see the definition, right? So let us take f of t be any function and f of t should be continuous and this function defined only for positive values of t. Then Laplace transform of this function defined as integral over 0 to infinity e power minus st into f of t dt. By using this formula, we can calculate Laplace transform of any function, right? So now we are going to show the two properties. First property, L of 1 is equal to 1 by s. Okay, we have to show that L of 1, that is Laplace transform of 1 is equal to 1 by s. So what is the definition of Laplace? So what is L of f of t? Yes, integral over 0 to infinity e power minus st f of t dt. So what is f of t? Yes, 1. So substitute instead of f of t 1. So it is equal to integral 0 to infinity e power minus st. What is f of t here? 1. So into dt. So now you integrate with respect to t. This what is integral e power minus st into dt? E power minus st divided by coefficient of t, that is minus s. Limit 0 to infinity. Now take the 1 by s outside. Now you apply the limits. Upper limit minus lower limits. So what is the upper limit? So instead of t you have to substitute infinity. So e power minus infinity. So upper limit minus lower limit. What is our lower limit? 0. So instead of t you have to substitute 0. So let e power minus e power 0. Minus 1 by s into, what is e power minus infinity? 0 minus e power 0 value 1. So finally we will get 1 by s. Hence true. So Laplace of 1 is nothing but 1 by s. So next property, L of e power at is equal to 1 divided by s minus a. So what is f of t here? E power a. So now apply the definition of Laplace. What is L of f of t? Integral over 0 to infinity e power minus st f of t dt, which is equal to integral over 0 to infinity e power minus st instead of f of t substitute e power at into dt. Next, combine e powers. We'll get e power minus s minus a into t dt. So now you integrate with respect to t. So what is e power minus s minus a into t? E power minus s minus a into t divided by the coefficient of t is minus s minus a. Now apply the upper limit minus lower limit. So we'll get, so take 1 by minus s minus a outside. So now you apply the limits for variable t. E power minus infinity minus lower limit e power yes 0. So minus 1 by s minus a into what is e power minus infinity? 0 minus e power 0 value minus 1. So finally we'll get 1 divided by s plus a we have proved. So start the game. So these two columns team A and these two columns team B. Right? So first question for team A. What is Laplace transform of e power at into f of t?